We'll guide you through how to fix an iPhone screen that zoomed in and stuck. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone, and as you can see, the screen is all zoomed in. So if I try and go and open up a certain app, I may not be able to go and reach it. And of course, it just makes the iPhone really hard to go and use, and you want to go and get out of it. We're going to guide you through this step by step and also guide you through how you can go and stop it from happening again in the future. So make sure this full guide so you go and understand how you can go and do this and don't skip anything. So this is actually a feature designed on the iPhone. Usually, it may also just be a software glitch, but it doesn't matter. The method we have in this video is going to go and resolve it regardless. But often there's actually a feature on the iPhone which allows zooming in, and we can go and turn that off in the future, and we'll also go and stop it happening now. As I said, it could also be a software glitch, which this method will go and fix as well. So what we're going to do is perform a forced restart. Don't worry, you don't need to go and use the screen. So if it's frozen as well, that doesn't matter. So what you need to do is go and press the volume increase, then decrease, and you'll be tapping and holding the side button. Let's do that now. Volume increase, decrease, and tap and hold the side power button. If your screen is not frozen, it'll go and change. If it is frozen, it won't, but just go and keep on holding down the side button. Keep it held down. We're only going to go and release it when we go and see the Apple icon. At this point, you can go and release, and now it's going to be turning back on, and you can go and wait. It shouldn't go and take too long. The newer iPhones are usually really quick at coming back on. If it's older, it may take slightly longer. So when it comes back on, it should go and be out of the zoom mode, whether it was using the zoom feature or whether it was a software glitch. As you can see, so let's go and swipe up, and we can then go and unlock it. And now what we can do is we can go and turn it off to go and stop it from getting in the zoom mode again. So go and open up settings. You then need to go and scroll down and find the option for accessibility. Then you can go and find zoom. And what you want to do is go and switch off zoom at the top. That's it. So that should now go and stop it from zooming in the future. And if it was a software glitch, it should be resolved because we did the restart. So that's it. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more guides. Have a great day.